Alrighty guys, welcome back to some more Wreckfest Mobile. We're doing another Rumble race here at the, bodies flying. Midwest Moto Center, I believe. Tournament mode race. Of course, you know, you're asking for destruction if they give you the if they give you the monster truck. Oh my goodness, just spinning. I'm getting go-karts and lawnmowers and stuff stuck under me. See, look, it's just, oh my goodness. I have 4 laps to make this happen, so let's see what we can do. Oh, they're just lined up for me. Oh, I'll just take out the tires. That way nobody else has to. Yo, these guys are little bullies. Steel fist. He gets out of my way. He's like, nah, man, you ain't gonna hit my couch. Psycho missile. Excuse me, sir. Oh, that's a bump. Jesus, this thing is so... Hold on, man. Okay, nothing like a little quick fresh restart here. I have to get used to the controls on this thing, and I never practice before I start recording. I just hit record and see what happens. But oh my goodness, it's so difficult when they get stuck under you. And also, we spin out so easily. Like, look at this. Come on now. Okay, here we go, here we go. Up to 10th. We got 4 laps, so it's like, it's a little bit of a rush, but like not really. But I'd like to get up in first and get a little comfy lead, because this thing sucks with controls. You know what? Get out of my way. You too. We'll just eliminate them. At least let them get a couple seconds back there before they reset. I gotta take turns carefully because this thing can just spin out easily. But yo, can we bring this in? Hold on, it says I'm in second. Yo, he's way up there. Hold on now. Oh, is he wrecking himself? And that's first place. How did he get so far ahead? That's crazy. Dang, and he took himself out too. That's crazy. Oh, those are, yeah, see. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't even look back. Nothing happened. I'm like tapping the gas to keep it straight. You can't hold the gas. There's no way. Oh, look at that turn. I see a. We got a good couple seconds between us and second place back there. It ain't telling me how many. I think it's because we're in tournament mode, but I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, turn. Yeah, let's go. Okay, don't look back. I see them, they're there now. I see it on the radar. That was a little sketchy. And finish line. There we go. First place against porta potties, couches, lawnmowers, golf carts. Or go-karts, I mean. Yo, not a bad race. Alright, if you want to see more, come to my page. Like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. See you in the next one. Peace.